Okay guys, let's get in the paint booth here. We'll take a look. We painted the little 70 Bug last night. A couple parts and pieces. Ah, there she is. Look at that. There's the, that would actually be the hood because the engine is in the rear. Wow. Now what we're doing with this car is we're going to leave it sit up for a week now. And then we're going to come through the white everywhere where you see where it's masked. Remember, I've shown you in other photos on Instagram and Facebook. We painted the white, all the interior is painted. That's why it's all masked off. We're going to leave it sit for a week now, or just under. Then we're going to sand this car all down again, but we're not going to break through the clear that's on it now. Probably going to hit it with like 800 or something, or 1000 grit. Then we're going to re-clear it. We're going to give it 2 more coats of clear, which is going to bring the depth out even more. And it will look beautiful. Now it doesn't need to have that done, because if you look at it, it's absolutely stunning. But this owner wants to go for that depth look. So we've done this in the past, like I say, you get your paint down, you get your clear down like we have now, you leave it sit up, you come back, you hit it with like a 800 or 1000 grit. All you're really doing is knocking down any little dust nibs or any kind of little orange peel you might have. Then you re-clear it and it comes out even flatter and smoother. Plus, not only that, because this car's two-tone, right now when you pull this tape away, you're going to have a body line, like a tape line there. Once you re-clear this whole car, there'll be no tape lines anywhere between the 2 parts of the color. It'll just look absolutely stunning. I mean, this guy went the full deal. I mean, everything's painted here. The floor pans are painted. Every inch of this car is painted. Nothing's undercoated. Nothing's texture sprayed. It's all painted. So he's going all the way. So there we go. There's the car. Well, we'll get to unmasking it here and maybe we'll give another shot in the end. Alright, so here it is. It's all unmasked. Look at that. Doesn't that look good? That looks absolutely beautiful. Now, of course, you'd already seen the inner painted before. It was the outer that got done right now. This looks gorgeous. So that's what's going on. So I'm going to load a few parts up and get them put away. Got to put the doors away, got to put the hood and the deck lid away, get that all put away. Leave it sit up for a good 5 to 7 days, and then Sean will start his magic by sanding it all, and then we'll clear this whole thing with 2 nice coats of clear, and away we go. So that's it, people. So, till next time, remember, it is always a good time at Old Time.